We are replacing the third truck light in the Chevy truck.
Brake light.
Brake light.
Third brake
Whatever.
light. Third brake light.
Third brake light.
Alright, here's the third brake light. Take that old piece of junk off. Here's the new one. LED. Set all the old parts on the roof. Uh-oh. Alright, now we'll pause for a second. Alright, third brake light. First time it's been opened in 25 years. We got some more work to do. Alright, let's do it. 2 more screws, right?
Yeah.
What you doing, Mason?
Unscrewing screws.
How many you got?
2.
What kind of a truck is this?
A Chevy.
K1500, right?
No.
It's a K1500.
Sure.
That means it's a 4x4.
Yeah. So cool.
One down, one to go. How old are you, Mason?
10.
10? So that means you're in 3rd grade?
I'm 4th going to 5th.
4th going to 5th. Yeah. I'm in like 30th grade.
You're in like 35th grade.
I'm in the old folks home. Is it buggy? This might be the fastest repair we've ever done. Or improvement, rather. Alright. Pull that back. Just kinda,
This?
yeah.
This top?
Yeah.
Rip it?
Oh yeah, there we go, baby. See
Rip
that
it again?
connector?
Rip it again?
Pull that connector out.
I don't
So,
think that's working. It's like making it better fall, but like.
oh, hold on a sec. I'll get a flat screwdriver. One sec. It looks like that won't go over there, so let's remove this rubber gasket. Grab the other end. Alright, now pause for a sec. I gotta get a flat screwdriver. So, pry that clip up right there, and then pull that connector out. Pull it out, Mason. Good job. Alright, we'll pause. Okay, Mason, get the grime off before we put the new product on. We got our Norwex cloth. The towels made by God himself. Pretty good. I have a option B if this doesn't work.
You need more water. I mean, I can just hose it. Just a little more water.
Alright, I'm gonna pause this video while we take an X-Acto knife to this baby and clean it up.
No, it's wonderful.
Actually, this cloth is gonna do the job.
If it gets more water.
Norwex, baby. Not trying to sell it, but it is magic. Pause while we tackle this.
Wait.
First test is to make sure the light works. So let's plug this connector in. Can you plug it in, Mason? Oh wait, just go slow. Twist. Yep. Twist it. Okay. Now you just kind of hold it, and I'm gonna start the truck up, and we'll see if it lights.
So it lit up, I guess. So, yep. So it means it works.
All right. So the decision is to put the adhesive on the light or on the truck. I'm gonna put it on the light because it's gonna be easier. And looking at the old one, it was sticky coming off the light, and it was sticky coming off the truck. So honestly, I mean, this probably should have been a double-sided sticky, but hopefully it works. So I'm gonna pause this while I stick it on. Here we go. Take the adhesive off. All right, let's put it on the light. Watching. Put that through the hole. That is sticky. Years. Seems pretty good. See that? The side seems pretty good. Just press that in. All right, record this, Mason. Connect the cable.
Try to put the screws in while you hold it.
So, surprise, surprise, we have new screws. That never happens. All right. And they have a little rubber gasket on them. I should have you do this because I can't even get this thing open. Here. That's how we do it in the country. We just rip it apart. All right. It's so humid out, these things don't even want to come out. There we go. Keep your focus on there. All right, put one rubber bushing here over the screw. Pause it. So when we took it apart, we had 4 screws, 2 on the sides, and then 2 here. The new lights don't need that support. They don't have a spot for it, so we're just doing the 2 side screws. I'll have you finish them off, Mason. Alright, let's switch cameras, hands. Alright, screw that in. Righty, tighty, loosey, lefty. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. There you go. That ain't the right screw. Hold on.
No one is in.
Alright, we got the shorty. The shoddy Phillips. Screw that in. Alright, 3rd third brake light installed. Let's see if it lights up. All right, Mason, let me know if the light turns on.
All right. It turned on. I don't know. That's bright.
Does it look brighter?
Yeah, it's bright. I don't know.
Job done. Video over.
Alright.
Alright, Mason. Let's test this light out. I gotta see what it looks like. Press on the brake light. I'm gonna go in the back and see what it looks like.
Alright.
Alright, let go of it. Press it. Let go. Press. Good. Alright.
The seat's so it's kind of comfortable.
Mason. Good job. Hey. Good job. Okay, Mason. Half of the LEDs aren't lit up on the left and right hand side, so I think it has something to do with this cargo lamp light. Alright? Sorry. Cargo lamp. Let's turn that cargo lamp on. You just did. Well, now let's go back and back. Alright. The left and right LEDs lit up. So, what the heck is the cargo lamp for?
I don't know.
I don't know either. So, if you know, let me know. Post a comment. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Peace out. Okay, here's a description of the light I bought on Amazon. Just paste that in your search and you can buy the same one. It cost me 30 bucks. A shop would have charged you probably $100, $125 to install this. So do it yourself and save big time. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.